Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Sushiswap that takes a little step back before attacking $1.7 for a breakout trade. But before we dive deeper into that, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space and on our website in the cryptocurrencies where you can find all the latest and hot news and trending topics. As mentioned, Sushiswap taking a small step back, and with small, I mean very small, just 1.6% down for the week, and we are Wednesday, so we still have two and a half trading days to go, which is plenty. And there is one element or one point I would really like to point out, and that is, if at least the marker will let me, and that is this area here. Here we go. So a big juicy area here where bulls will love to buy in big chunks in the price action. So it makes sense all in all that Sushiswap takes a little bit step back. Why fight the current sentiment? Because markets are a little bit on the back foot with more earnings coming out and more job layoffs meanwhile being communicated as well. So a little bit of a negativeness creeping in the markets there. Yields are a little bit rising as well after several peaks that were on the quoting board yesterday in sovereign yields in the US, in Poland, in Australia and several other parts, Europe as well. The European rates are nearing all-time highs. And that, of course, means that if yields are so high, that means that there is traders being nervous, there is a risk and risk aversion. And so it could well be that Sushiswap then all the way tanks to this very nice level here. That's roughly a 10% decline still for the week and near $1.26, because we have 55 to 200 and this green ascending trend line on the weekly chart, which will be very, very critical. And that means then that we could see a sort of a two-tier approach, that once we have this, we get a bounce to the red ascending trend line, descending, sorry, near 1.7. And should we be able to break that, yeah, then we could see something like this, possibly with a double top from here, coming back all the way up. Let me put this below. So we could well be going a little bit higher towards this double top here, so 2.65, 2.7. So that is a very, very brutal rally of nearly 48, let's say 50% to the upside. So very bullish outlook. If we can break this red descending trend line, we could go all the way up. So I expect for the coming weeks to be stuck in this sort of rate trading pattern, coming smaller consolidation, and then once we pop above there, breakout trade, and then I would really gear up for some substantial long-term investment, because this could go as far as $2.70 in the coming weeks and months to come, that I'm talking about. Risk to the downside, of course, if I take these off, risk to the downside, of course, comes with simple break of this green ascending trend line and this pivotal level here, because once that breaks, then we go all the way back below $1 or near $1.93. That will be the full decline and the full unwind of this rally for 2023, I mean. That's it for Sushiswap. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space.